The Ooh La La 1st of April event on Rollercoin is now live, and that is a progression event. And we've also got the Fool's Day puzzle, which is also live at the same time. Let's check it all out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so a progression event and a puzzle event going on at the same time on Rollercoin, and no, this is no joke. On my screen here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and you can see that we have the Ooh La La 1st of April event, which only has 1 day. Okay, so this is for the 1st of April in your time zone. Obviously, it might spill over to the 2nd of April as well as it will with my time zone. Okay, and we've also got the Fool's Day puzzle event that is also going on, and this will last just shy of 3 days. And these events both just started 15 minutes ago at the time of recording this video. We've also got some legacy bundles and Fool's Day crafting. So let's start checking these out. So Ooh La La 1st of April event. This is a progression event. We can see that the most powerful miner in this progression event is 15 petahash with 25% bonus power attached to that 15 petahash. Okay, and this is the legendary version of this miner, and here we will be able to see all of the rewards shortly as well. Remember that at the moment there is a 40% discount on Ethereum. That is 40, not 30, not 35, 40%. Take advantage of this while you still can. There's still another day remaining for you to take advantage of this and make use of it during the progression event to use less of your crypto and get more RLT, which means you will get more of a multiplier when doing that as well. Okay, so another day for the 40% discount on Ethereum. And we see the quests below. It is pretty typical when you don't have a multiplier. When you do get to a higher difficulty level in the game, you'll get 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, you'll get 1,000 points. And when you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, you'll get 150 points. Okay, so these are all without the multiplier. If we see the list of rewards here, we can see that there is a total of 21 levels in this progression event, and that legendary miner that we can see with the 15 petahash and 25% bonus power is the stapler miner, okay, at level 21. Okay, now we can also see that there are a couple of speed up items in this progression event as well, and there are some more stapler miners at level 5, level 6, and level 10. You get pretty much all the variations of this miner. You can then also get the Unreal version of this miner if you manage to merge the one that you get at level 3 and level 5, turn that into an uncommon. Then you will have 2 uncommons which can become a rare. Okay, then you get those rares and merge them together, so you get the one at level 10 as well, and then you'll merge those 2 together and you'll get the epic, which you will merge with the one at level 15, and then you will merge that legendary that you'll get out of that with the legendary that you get at level 21, and you can get the Unreal version. So that's going to give you loads of power. At level 20 you'll get 10 RLT as well, which is quite good as well. Okay, speed up tickets, these are quite important for the progression event, so you can speed up the expedition of your hamsters. So each ticket is basically speeding up that expedition by 1 hour. So when you get 2, if you want to use 2, you'll speed it up by 2 hours. If you get 3 and you want to use all 3, you'll speed it up by 3 hours. If you want to combine them, you can literally speed up an expedition into 0 minutes. Okay, you won't have to wait at all. You get all the loot that the hamster will find, and you won't have to wait for anything. There's 10 XP in this event as well, and a couple more RLT and RST as well. Okay, so quite a nice event indeed. Okay, look at that, 500 RST at level 18 as well. Okay, now obviously I'd like to check out the total list of points that you need to actually complete this progression event, but at the moment the list has not yet been published by Piero, but I will be leaving a link below this video of Piero's list so that you can check out how many points you will need to get to the very final level. Okay, this event did just come out a few minutes ago, so the list is not yet available, unfortunately, but it will be momentarily, okay? So be sure to check out that entire list as well, okay? Moving on to the Fool's Day puzzle event. This has just shy of 3 days remaining. Typical quests here, 16 quests, okay? So we'll go through those in a moment as well. There are 14 levels at the progression bar at the very top, and if you make it to the very end, you'll be able to get the miner, which is called Cake Crash, and this is the uncommon version, which will give you 26.2 petahash per second, okay? There is also the common version of the Cake Crash, which you can get at level 10, so after you complete 10 tasks, and you can also reveal that same miner from the random puzzle piece here, okay? So that's 10 petahash with 3% bonus power. If you get the one after completing 10 tasks, then you will be able to merge those two into an uncommon, and if you merge that uncommon, okay, with the last uncommon, then you will be able to merge all of these into a rare version Cake Crush miner. Okay, and that will give you over 60 petahash in power, okay? And you can always check the mergers here, okay? So if we go here and we go to mergers and go to miners and just search it, Cake Crash, okay? And you can see that if you go to the rare version, from 26, you're going to go to 68 petahash, and from 12% bonus of the uncommon, you're going to increase that to 25% bonus power. That is a lot of bonus power for you to be able to get. Now, imagine combining this 25% with the stapler one. You'll have 50% just from these two events alone increase on your raw miner power. That is a lot of percentage, 50% more, okay? And a lot of power to go with it, okay? So be sure to do your very best to get through this puzzle event. Take advantage of the Ethereum 40% discount because it'll definitely get you through both events much easier. It will. Okay, so the tasks here to complete, exchange 3 RLT. Before you do that exchange 3 RLT, make sure that you've got some Ethereum available and exchange it from the 40% discount that you have for Ethereum. Okay, win 50 games, open 3 lucky RLT cases. I'm sure you'll be spamming those lucky RLT cases, so you do these in no time. Merge 270 parts, exchange 11 RLT, win 100 games, open 11 lucky cases, merge 450 parts, exchange 240 RLT, open 24 lucky cases, exchange 52 RLT, open 52 lucky cases, exchange 84 RLT, open 84 lucky cases, exchange 128 RLT, which you might be able to do easily if you're going to take part in the progression event to get to the very end, okay? So that might be nothing really, okay? 128 RLT with that 40% discount. Remember, you're exchanging RLT and you're getting more of it with that discount, okay? So open 128 lucky cases, and that is pretty much all 16 tasks. To get to the very end of the progression bar, all you need to do is 14, okay? But I think you'll make it to the very end, okay? The merge one, for me personally, I think would be the most difficult. Merge 450 parts, but I'll open a couple of parts cases and try and merge those as well, okay? And then if I don't make it to the very, very last task, doesn't really matter because I'll hopefully get all the good stuff before that, okay? So I'll do my best. I'll at least try and merge maybe 270, okay? Just to get 15 out of the way, and there'll be hopefully one of the weaker ones left over for me to do, okay? So that is the Fool's Puzzle event as well. Just going quickly back to the homepage, we can see there are some legacy bundles here. Okay, so you can get the Roller Million here. There are quite a bit of discounts. You can purchase that in Dodge, in Sol. Okay, you can do it in Dodge in a slimmer version as well. Okay, so if you don't want everything that you're getting here, you can slim it down. This is a special miner here. Okay, it's not any of the legendary types. Okay, so these are all legacy miners. Okay, these are not going to be the ones that you can kind of merge into anything else really, because you've got legacy here. Okay, it's not like an uncommon or a legendary. Okay, it's different. Okay, so you've got legacy miners there that are quite hard to get most of the time. Okay, so you've got racks here as well. The Stargazer rack 6 at 22% for each and every miner that you place on that rack. 1000 RST as well. All right, 289 Dodge to get all of this. Okay, and you also get 100 petahash for a whole month in temporary bonus power. Okay, perfection, for example, can't be sold. So remember that as well. If you don't already have this legacy perfection, then now's your chance to grab that, because you won't be able to do it and you won't be able to get it from the marketplace. Okay, so just keep these in mind as well. 289 Dodge. Okay, calculate that accordingly depending on the Dodge price. I believe it was around 16 cents. Okay, at the moment, so 16 cents times 289, it's not going to be all that much. Okay, but do calculate accordingly. Those are the legacy bundles. We've also got Fool's Day crafting, and that's also got the same duration as the Fool's Day puzzle event. So Fool's Day crafting, here's a funny one, okay? So use up 2 of your batteries to get 1 battery. Should you actually do that? I'll let you decide. Type Z can't be sold, okay? You need 350 common hash boards to get that type Z. This is also a legacy type Z. Can't be sold, 114 terahash per second. Dodgeinator can't be sold as well. You do need to have 1 Dodge to be able to craft this, and you do need to have 350 common wires, which I currently have. A couple of more miners. There's the scam here. Haven't seen that in a while. Okay. Is it really a scam? Well, it's 1 gigahash per second, but it does have quite a substantial amount of bonus power the last time I remember. Okay, compared to the miners that are coming out now, maybe not all that much, but still there nonetheless. I believe it's 10% in bonus power, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, Bitly Juice can be sold as well. Okay, 62 petahash in mining power for Bitly Juice. But look at what you need here to do that. And this is the legendary version of the Bitly Juice. Okay, you'll get quite a significant amount of bonus power for that as well. Just do the homework accordingly, because 80,000 of fans, 80,000 of wires, 80,000 of hash boards, maybe they can go to better use. I don't know. You'll have to calculate that accordingly. 1.6 petahash for the Lube Lord. Okay, so you need these parts. Okay, so this is April Fool's craft, so be careful, because some of these are obviously not going to be worth your while, especially the first one, but that's for you to decide. Some people might accidentally click this and use 2 of the batteries just to get 1. Okay, but that is the crafting offer nonetheless. 2 days, 23 hours and 31 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. And I think I've pretty much covered all the events that are going on currently on Rollercoin. And I wish you all the very best of luck and happy April Fools out there, and be careful from those scams. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button, hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.